You are brave when facing these horrible creatures. 1,000 people have tried, but you are the chosen one. Fight with ferocious dragons that soar through the skies and attack with their sharp claws. Enter the mysterious lair of spiders. Defeat the giant trolls in the dangerous depths of the forests. Take down the stealthy, intelligent, and cautious goblins. And fight against the savage and cruel orcs. Now you have the opportunity to be a brave warrior and free humanity from these evil monsters.